So now we're going to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area. So first of all, again, on clean skin, I'm just using a little bit of facial oil here and then just applying all along the forehead, side of the temples, and then always just glide down the side of the ears down to the collarbone. So with the fingers first, I like to start again with a little bit of gentle tapping just to get the blood flow and circulation to the area. And I like to work in an upwards motion, so literally from the eyebrow and just tapping upwards towards the hairline. And then with the fingers, I'm just gliding upwards quite lightly again, and then moving from the eyebrows to the hairline here. So now with the fingers placed like this, just literally we're going to do a zigzag motion, and I'm working at the moment vertically. So we're working against any of those horizontal lines. I'm working all the way along. And then I'd like to work at a different angle, and we're actually releasing any tight fascia within the forehead area as well, which can be quite tight and restricting, and also that can also add towards fine lines and wrinkles. And then another different direction. So placing my hand now on one side of my forehead, the fingers on the other, again, I'm just releasing any tight fascia here. It's really massaging the forehead. It's also calming down the nervous system, and we have a lot of expression within our forehead, which can create those lines as well. So it's always good to be quite mindful of how you're actually holding your resting face. You don't want to be sort of frowning all the time. Otherwise that will add towards those fine lines and wrinkles. And then placing again, and then let's start on the other side. Massaging all the way along. And then with the fingers, I'm just a very light massage, round circular motions. I'm actually not going too deep or heavy-handed now. It's nice and light towards the temples. So with the fingers again, I'm again just lifting upwards now, and this is a feather-light touch. We're actually moving toxins and waste now within the lymph, and the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so just needs to be light, and then just very gently glide. So once we've got to the temples here, I'm placing my hands on the forehead, and we're going to do a very quick exercise. So by relaxing our body, we're placing our hands on our forehead, and without moving our head, we're just going to look up and down. And let's just do this 5 times. Everything should be all nice and relaxed now because we've done a nice massage on our forehead. And you should be able to feel a contraction on your forehead area. And then just release. Again, moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And then just glide down the side of the ears, the side of the neck down to the collarbone. And then again, as I always like to finish off, a few gentle presses just to release all the toxins and waste ready into the body, ready for elimination.